All right, guys, what's going on? Salute. This is my last video of the conditioning of my steering wheel on my vehicle. Let me get the phone, Caesar. Check it out, guys. Look at how it came out. Remember how it was all kind of worn on this side? Look at it. I think it came out perfect. All right, so what I did was, after I put the black shoe dye around the steering wheel, I buffed it a little bit with this wax. Guys, I'm not trying to promote these products. They ain't giving me a dime. But this is what I use. I mean, maybe you could use whatever's in your country. I'm in the DR, Dominican Republic, which is in the Caribbean. This is what we got here. Comes with this little pad. It's like a wax. All right, this is what I use. I buffed it with some of this, and I think it's awesome, honestly. All right, so I'm gonna just take this tape that I put around it where I didn't want the dye to get a hold of this plastic, and I'm taking it off for the first time, guys. This is it. You guys are witnessing this. All right, so there it goes. Oh, I see something here. I have to take that off. There. Whoa.
Look, guys.
All right, so yeah, this is it. It came out pretty good. All right, yeah, I'm kind of doing this little fast video because I got to get to work. It's so lovely working from home. This is my dress code: a polo shirt and shorts. Ain't that something? 21st century work environment. So yeah, this is it, people. Kind of hit the plastic here a little bit with some black. See how I can get that off. But overall, I think I did a good job. All right. It's coming off. All right, I did a pretty good job. Decent job. All right. So that's it, guys. What are you doing, Caesar? So that's it. This is the last video of this project that I did. Do it yourself. Do DIY. And I mean, you could do this home if you like. All right, you know, you could take it to a professional too and spend some pocket money, or either do it yourself. It's up to you, man. All right, so peace and salute, guys. See you on the next video.